Hey guys, my name is Basali Kamara. I will present the Agile project management methodology, which is a part of project management tools. So, in the last 10 years, project management has undergone significant change. Rather than having only one approach, we have a variety of methodologies, all based on the characteristics of the project. As Agile, project management methodologies are often defined for specific type of project. Agile software development represents a new approach for planning and managing software projects. It puts less emphasis on upfront plans and stricter control, then relies more on informal collaboration, coordination, and learning. In this presentation, I will define the Agile methodology, describe how it works, describe the Scrum Agile methodology, and give some example of application and the benefits. And a conclusion will end this presentation. What is Agile methodology? Agile methodology is a form of adaptive project execution heavily used in software development as an alternative to traditional approaches that emphasize the sequential or linear process starting from requirement gathering, planning, design, software code writing, testing, and implementation. For Bugman, Agile methodology is the process for which team can deliver a project by dividing it into several stages, with also involving stakeholders in every stage, giving no room for communication errors. Agile methodologies are based on the concept of flexibility, transparency, quality, and continuous improvement. The four characteristics of Agile methodology are the NVIDIA and interactions, the working software, the customer collaboration, and responding to change. The bottom line of all of this is that everyone, testers, developers, and beyond, must evolve in order to embrace the Agile working style. The principles of Agile methodologies. There are 12 principles. On the left, from the top to bottom, the highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Second, welcome change requirements. 3. Deliver working software frequently. 4. Business people and developers must work together daily. 5. Build a project around motivated individuals. 6. The most efficient and effective method of communication is face-to-face conversations. On the left, from the bottom to the top. 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress. 8. Agile process promote sustainability development. 9. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design hires agility. 10. Simplicity is essential. 11. The best architecture requirements and design emerge from self-organizing teams. And 12. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective and then turns and adjusts its behavior accordingly. How to understand the Agile methodology. Agile methodology is an approach to project management focused on the continual improvement through iterative work, changes, and updates. The cycle of Agile methodology is based on different phases. The first step is planning. At this stage, everyone should have a clear picture of the scope of the project, budget, resources, and deadline. The second is the design. There are two ways to approach the design: the visual design and the architectural structure of the software design. The third step is the development. The development represents the longest stage. It is the backbone of all the process. The fourth step is the testing. After the development, the quality assurance team ensures that the code is clean and the business goal of the solution are met. The last is the deployment. When the software is complete, it is shipped in the market for beta testing. The team collects the feedback of user. If there is any issue, the developers will fix it. As a collaboration is crucial, the team and the stakeholders must be in constant communication. After all, the development team review the progress made toward completing the requirements. Why use the Agile methodologies? Agile today stands as one of the most popular approaches to project management because of its flexibility and evolutionary nature. The top reason and benefit of Agile and why it is adopted by top companies managing their projects are superior quality products, customer satisfaction, better control, improve project predictability, reduce risk, increase flexibility, continuous improvement, improve the team morale, and a more relevant metric. The Scrum Agile methodology. The word Scrum denotes the meetings where managers and employees discuss their ideas and thoughts. Scrum is one of the agile methodologies designed to guide the teams in the iterative and incremental delivery of the product. It is focused on the use of the empirical process that allows the team to respond rapidly, efficiently, and effectively to change. Scrum fixes time and cost in the effort to control the requirements. While Scrum is indeed agile, other methods include stream programming, crystal, feature-driven development, added also to the Agile Manifesto and its associate principle. How to adopt the Scrum Agile methodology. The project begins with a clear vision provided by the business and a set of products in order of importance. Those products are part of the backlog, which is maintained by the customer or customer representative, referred as the product owner. The sprints are generally from 1 to 4 weeks in length, and that length is maintained throughout the life of the project so as to establish a cadence. The team selects items from the product backlog that it believes can be complete in the sprint and create a sprint backlog consisting of the product and task as a part of the sprint planning meeting. Once the team has committed to a sprint backlog, the task work begins. During this time in the sprint, the team is protected from interruptions and allowed to focus on meeting the sprint goal. No changes to the sprint backlog are allowed at this time. However, the product backlog can be changed in preparation for the next sprint. During the sprint, the team checks in daily with each other in the form of a 15-minute meeting known as a scrum. The team stands in a circle and each member states what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and what it is getting their way in the future. At the end of the sprint, the team demonstrates the work they have completed to the stakeholders and get the feedback that will affect what they work on in the next sprint. They also hold a retrospective to learn how to improve. This meeting is critical as it focuses on transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Role and responsibilities in the Scrum team. In this team, the product owner represents the customer of the project, provide customer-centric items to the teams, prioritize the items, and adds additional items to the product backlog, accept the output from the Scrum teams after the sprint demonstration. The Scrum team is in charge to analyze, design, develop, test, communicate, and document the product increments at the end of the sprint. And interact with the project management office to provide the project reporting. The Scrum Master is in charge to remove obstacles for the team to be able to deliver the project outcome. Is not the team manager. And he also enforces the rules to ensure that the Scrum process is used as intended. Applications and benefits of a Scrum. Originally designed for use in software development, Scrum is now used by organizations and project managers across all disciplines. If your project is urgent or complex and need a quick deliverable, then Scrum is the right framework for you. Scrum is now applied in all sectors, including healthcare, defense, insurance, government, banking, church, even Apple, Facebook, Adobe, Google, Spotify, Yahoo use Scrum for their day-to-day operations. The benefits of a Scrum are large, but we can cite some of them as a better product quality, faster return of income, money and time saved, flexibility, minimum risk, better control, and transparency. So, as a summary, the Agile development methodology is the right approach to software product development that focuses on flexibility and speed. The key principle in Agile project management is to keep the project scope soft. To be a successful Agile project manager, you should possess the following qualities: exceptional organizational skill, including the ability to prioritize, the ability to thrive under pressure, excellent communication skills, and the ability to work well with others, superior critical thinking capabilities, including the ability to think on your feet, comfort with quickly changing priority, and a high level of adaptability and flexibility. Here are my references. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much for listening.